In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a wired mouse to your phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use any USB mouse in conjunction with your phone. This will work for both iOS and Android, and the process is the same. So all that you have to do is grab the appropriate USB cable. Usually, mouses will have automatically attached cables like this. But if you have a detachable cable, you might have to plug it into the mouse first. So check to see if you have a USB-C or micro USB port. For most modern mice, it is going to be USB-C. So once you plug one end of a cable into the mouse, the other end goes into your phone. There's no secret to this. So plug it into the standard USB charging port, which for most modern devices is also going to be USB-C. So use a USB-C to USB-C cable, or if your mouse already has the cable attached like this one and it isn't detachable, then just plug it into your phone. It is extremely simple. Now, most devices will automatically give you a cursor and will detect the mouse right away. For some, you might have to go into the settings. So for example, on iPhone, make sure that Assistive Touch is enabled, and then you will get this cursor. So instead of the standard cursor like Windows, you will have this little ball that you can control, and you can change various different settings and actions about this cursor. It is going to be usable on any app, any device, any game, and as long as you plug it in using a USB port, which usually is going to be the charging port, you will be able to use your mouse without any issues. If it doesn't work, then it could mean that the charging port is not able to give enough power to use that device, so you might need to purchase an additional USB hub. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired mouse to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.